Hi everybody, today I'll show you how to change Gmail password in mobile. So let's begin. So as you can see here that we are on our Gmail app. Now to change the password, what we need to do, we need to tap on our profile icon, and from here we have to tap on manage your Google account. And now what we have to do, we have to tap on security and sign in. And now what you have to do, we have to tap on password here. So now based on your security configuration, either it can ask you for the fingerprints or it can ask for your current password. So right now it is asking for my fingerprint. So I'm going to use that. It might be your password on your case. And now I can simply add my new password here. Alright, so now I'm going to simply tap on change password. I have successfully changed my Gmail password in mobile. And this is how you can do this as well. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.